So this is like area 9. What we're trying to do is stay out of the main driveway for now and just tidy up some of this area in the back. It's a lot of traffic back here when they store pipe. And what we want to do is be able to complete this without having anybody back here. If you take a look behind you, you can see where we started grading out the dirt so we can add some heavy stone in there. Basically, we're probably going to put some binder in it. It's about 19C. That's what we call it here in North Carolina. It's an intermediate course, and what that does is gives it some stability, enough compaction on it. It'll hold up to heavy trucks and heavy forklifts. This area back here, you can see we graded it. Took a lot of it out of here, got it nice and smoothed down. Looks really good. We're going to compact it real good here shortly and get some nice product on here to ensure that they got plenty of room to store pipe. Make it to where they have all the room that they need. We actually gave them about 10 more feet back, was able to push everything back. I think it's going to give them a lot more storage in this general area. Just taking a little bit of time right now. We're getting some paving done. It gives a chance for the milling crew and my trucks to run, get some asphalt on the ground. Gives everybody a little bit of a break. It's already 89 degrees out here today.
And it's only 10 a.m.
And it's only 10 a.m. Yeah. The biggest thing, drinking a lot of water when you're out here, especially all the guys drinking Gatorades, staying hydrated. Safety issue around here is priority number 1. We have to go through a little safety consult every morning for when we sign in. The biggest things is overhead pipe, and we're accomplishing that pretty good right now.